Foldable smartphones are all the rage right now. The first models will enter the market very soon. Should you buy one? I say no. Here are 3 reasons against foldable smartphones. January 2019. The little-known Chinese company Royoli presents the world's first foldable smartphone. The company was even quicker than the 2 tech giants Samsung and Huawei. They presented their models in February. The device is called FlexPi and is pretty bulky. But the technology behind it is pretty impressive. A touchscreen is a quite complicated thing and made of different layers. Until now, it was impossible to bend the different materials at the same time. Thanks to the modern OLED technology, this is now possible. You can fold the devices up to 200,000 times. That's at least what the manufacturer says. Am I excited by this technology? Definitely. Will I buy a foldable smartphone? No. At least not anytime soon. Reason 1. The devices are still too expensive. Okay, good technologies are expensive. But have a look at the prices of the 3 presented models, from cheap to super expensive. Royoli FlexPi, from 1,200 euros. Samsung Galaxy Fold, from 1,800 euros. Huawei, from 2,300 euros. For this kind of money, I can easily buy a smartphone, a tablet, and an e-book reader. And there's one advantage: if my smartphone breaks, I can still use my e-book reader. The more competing models there are, the lower the prices will be, probably. But for now, foldables will stay expensive. Reason 2. With a foldable, I could work from everywhere. But do I want that? No. Just fold out your smartphone and get to work comfortably. No other device is needed. It's true, sending emails, working on some spreadsheets and other tasks can already be done with the smartphone. But even though the screens are getting bigger, they are still too small. Especially when you have big hands like mine. Still, thanks to different cloud services, I can always access my work stuff. And I'm happy that due to the small screen, I can only do the bare minimum when I'm on the go. A new study shows that the actual working hours have increased because of the possibility to work online. You may call me lazy, but to sacrifice every spare minute for my job, I don't want that. And if I really need to work, I just use my laptop. It's not that heavy, and I work more efficiently. Reason 3, more devices do more harm to the environment. Worldwide, almost 10 billion smartphones have been sold since 2009. This number is higher than the current world population. For tech companies, this meant big business. Since 2017, sales are declining, though. That's why manufacturers desperately have been looking for the next must-have device. Except for improved cameras and minor updates, not much happened in the last couple of years. Now, with foldables entering the market, expectations are high. To be perfectly honest, for years I was crazy about having the newest smartphone. I mean, I still love them. But I try to use all of my electronic devices for as long as possible. Our piles of electronic waste are getting bigger and bigger, and most of the time they end up in Africa. The waste causes problems for the environment there. I don't want to add to these problems, if possible. If I had to replace my device one day, I would think about getting a foldable. 1 device instead of 3 would actually be better for the environment. But first, foldables have to be affordable. What do you think about the new smartphones? Leave us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again soon.